This is Disney's All-Star Sports Resort located within the Walt Disney World Resort near Orlando, Florida. Built in 1994, it is a 10-building motel complex with 2 other resorts in the same area. The other 2 resorts being Disney's All-Star Music Resort, built between 1994 and 1995, and Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, built in 1999. All 3 resorts together make up the entirety of the All-Star Resort. Today, we will be touring the sports complex of the All-Star Resort, which just happens to be the place where I stayed for my high school senior trip. Each building has immersive theming, tons of Mickey characters on display, and lots of star shapes, which is no surprise because this is the All-Star Resort. With that said, let's take a hotel tour of Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. What is up, guys? Today is March 29th, 2019, and today we're going to take a tour of Disney's All-Star Sports Resort, aka the hotel that I'm staying in for my high school senior trip. Now, due to the lack of space, I have my camera on 720p 30 instead of 1080p 60, but that's going to be okay. So anyways, let's get straight into the tour. So right now, I'm standing in the lobby of the hotel. Down there's the check-in desk, here's the other desk. And down there is the hallway. And down over there is the gift shop called Sport Goofy Gifts and Sundries. Don't know if I said that right. Okay, let's do look at it. Down there's some restrooms. I'm not going in there. And this is the main hallway. To the left, you can see some pictures of famous sport players. The Disney All-Star Sports Hall of Fame. To the right is the arcade. Down there goes out to the pool. And this is the cafeteria. When you step into the cafeteria, the theming really comes into play. Down there is where you order your food, this is where you pay for it. I've gotten some Mickey waffles and eggs down there, and paid for them obviously. And down there is the eating area. Pizza pickup place. One thing I like about this area is the use of the 2013 Paul Rudish Mickey cartoon artwork throughout, including a chain reaction of artwork on the wall that you're seeing right now. It's all on the wall. Donald being the funniest. When Minnie comes in and makes the basket. Go look at this dining area. Now we're gonna head outside. Oh, there's 2 more photos. I think I have to get pics of those. And there's also one more photo down by the eating area. There it is. Now we're going to head out to the pool. And this hotel, it's a complex which it has 10 individual buildings. Every two buildings have a different theme to them. Buildings 1 and 6 are themed to surfing. Buildings 2 and 3 are themed to basketball. Buildings 4 and 5 are themed to tennis. Themes 7 and 10 are themed to football. And buildings 8 and 9 are themed to baseball. And here is a map of the whole complex. And that's basically the map of the whole resort. Down there's the laundry facility. And over here is the pool. So inside here is the laundry room. These are Maytag washers and Maytag dryers. There's 12 dryers and 8 washers, I think. Yeah. That's the laundry facility. Now let's tour the complex itself. I'm not going to show you the whole complex, but I will show you the areas that I'm staying in. So let's do that now. All the way down there is buildings 7 through 10. This is building 6. There's the pool again over there. And behind the pool is building 1. And we're gonna walk through this pathway. There's one of the main entrances to building 6. I'll give more details on my building later. Down there is building 3. That right there again is building 1. And this right here is the centerpiece of the sports complex and the All-Star Resort. And the reason why it is, there's that Mickey statue in front of it. A good look at it. Down there is buildings 3 and 5. Down there is my building, which is building 2, and we are going to give a complete detail of the room in building 2, and also show you some other parts of the building. That's building 1. And this horn over here, you may think it's actually an architectural structure, but it's actually a staircase. You can see through here, you're actually inside the horn as you go up the stairs. And right now, I'm on the 2nd floor. Actually, you know, I'll go up one more. And this is the top floor. Now, from the top floor, you can get a good look at the complex. See, there's the Mickey statue again, all the way over there. There's building 3. And down there are some hotel rooms. Now we're gonna head all the way around to the other side. There's some more hotel rooms. Some more hotel rooms down there.
Hey, Adam.
Hey guys. You're on YouTube.
What?
You're on YouTube.
Hey.
Hi. And these are the main elevators in this building. Let's take them down. These are Otis Series 1 elevators from the 90s. Let's take this one down to 1. Here we are on the 1st floor. And let's take a quick ride on this. Let's go up to 3. Door close doesn't work. On the way up, let's get a cab view. It's a pretty basic 90s Otis elevator. Here we are on the 3rd floor. Got your directory. Go back down to 1. Here are your Otis Series 1 fixtures. Certificate of inspection. ADA compliant phone. And my hotel room is on the first floor. So we'll end it down here. There it goes. And let's take a look at the ice machine. Right here's the ice machine. And now we're going to take a look at the front of the building. So over here you got the giant whistle and right in front of the building. And this is building 3, which is the other building similar to building 2. It's called the Hoops Hotel, and each building, or every 2 buildings, have the same name. So this is also Hoops Hotel. I'll leave a list of all the names of each building in the description below. So now that that's out of the way, we're gonna finally go ahead and tour a hotel room. I'm in room 2147. Oh, Mickey 90 music playing in the background. You can tell I'm addicted to Mickey. There's another stairway. Sorry for that cut, there was inappropriate music playing. So let's continue our tour. We're gonna turn down here. Yeah, let's speed up a little bit. Wow, that was quick. Anyways, here's my room. Room 2147. And here's my magic band. And I'm going to apologize because my roommates are packing. So let's tour the room. So for security, we've got a deadbolt, a lock bar, and a peephole. So that's basically for the security. One feature I did forget to show you is the evacuation route. It's kind of updated. Like here I am right here in room 2147, and here are the elevators, which we just saw already. So basically, each building is just in a T shape. And down here is just the security instructions. As for the room itself, pretty dated, but it's functional. Now, the beds, I'm sleeping in this bed, and my other roommate is sleeping in this bed, and my third roommate is sleeping here because there's no other space for all 3 of us together on the same bed. So yeah. Over there is the heating system, and over here is our table where we store all of our random stuff. And we have a nice little mirror. Hello! We have a TV here. And we have all of our other stuff. There's a little mini fridge, not to be confused with the mouse herself. We also have coat racks. This very epic picture. And we also have this wallpaper up here, which makes the room look dated, but I like it. That goes to the room next door. And as for the room, it's pretty nice. Carpet's a little bit worn, but it's okay. And over here is the sink area. So here's the sink. Here's the mirror. Hello. And we got this vanity light. And we got this coat hanger rack and a safe, which we're not using. And over here is the bathroom. That light takes forever to turn on. So anyways, here's the toilet and the tub and shower. use this thing a lot, like for when we wake up in the morning and when we come home from each trip. And the shower curtain itself, it looks pretty awesome. So yeah, there's the exhaust fan, there's the light. Floor looks pretty decent. And yeah, I guess that pretty much concludes the hotel tour of Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. So thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends and family. And if you haven't, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. Until next time, toodles!
Peculiar place to have a party.